line up along the wall.
I'll represent for you.
And everybody else back up a little bit. I need one to put in Alia's mouth.
It's over.
I need one in Alia's mouth. And you're doing it against the wall. If you are not, come behind me.
I'm filming.
I don't know.
Who's
gonna just follow it?
They're all gonna eat crickets.
I'll just give one
Sam,
shoe.
what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make a bunch of shoes.
Punch it or swallow it? You want to punch it, because if you swallow it, I think you can crawl back up. Go, Sam!
Collin will go first. Good job, Collin. Jordan, Jordan, you in?
Okay. I wasn't attacking because it didn't taste bad. It just got stuck in my throat.
Jordan, you in? Come on, Alia. Did it come flying out of her mouth?
Back up.
No. I mean, Mark, just swallow it. How hard? One of the legs. Do it. High five. Way to go.
Let's go, Kylie.
Come on, you're the worm.
Go, Staci! You're my hero. You're something that I can't do.
You do it. Come on. We all did it.
Come on, you can do it.
Do it for me.
My mouth that I go like that.
Why are you slow? Okay.
You want more?
Oh my goodness.
You don't shake.
Woo! Good job, everybody.